Right, classic. We are making camping kit. Yes.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want.
Boys and me are going camping. Woohoo! We're gonna make some cool stuff for around our campsite. Now this is not like a singular project. This is more a, you know, find a need, fill a need. So we're just gonna start camping, and when we need something, we're gonna make it. Yes.
When I go camping, I like to have a stick so I can hunt a few things like snakes, and some other things, some small critters.
Right, camping out.
Camping, we found a snake.
There's our camp.
Yes.
Look at that. Yeah, we got the little.
That's a sea green tree snake.
And you know what? We used a stick to get the snake.
Now he's very scared, so keep a distance. I like roasting s'mores. I like making s'more holders.
S'more holders.
So, like, I get a stick with 2 branches. You can roast 2 marshmallows.
Beau has come up with the most important one, s'more holders. Let's make a s'more holder. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, s'more holder, you're gonna need a knife. Be safe, cut away from you, cut away from your hand. You're looking for a nice branch which is spiky, and Beau wants a V shape in his, so that's what I'm looking for. I've come to the back of the garden. Now I'm not gonna cut down any big branches, but if I find the perfect one that is living, I will just nip it off. As long as I'm not killing the bush, that should be fine. Oh, I spy one. Check it. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. New little spruce. I'm going to take that bad boy. There's another reason why you might use fresher sticks for small sticks, because with a bit of moisture in them, they're not going to set on fire or burn while they're on the fire. Whereas if you get a very dry stick, then that's like, fire, come here, gone, you know? So that's another reason. Although we don't condone cutting down any parts of trees, it helps in this part. Haha, s'more stick's done. Addie's got a s'more on one end and a marshmallow on the other, enjoying life. Sausages being cooked on sausage sticks. Now, what you need to think of now is a way to light your camp. Check that out. Lashed on. So, I want to hang this up. I've got 3 massive sticks.
Yay, more girls, perfect. No!
So I'm going to make a tripod. Look at that, gay tripod. So nice, just hanging there, lashing. Camping's all about knots. Let me show you some knots. Yeah, and tripods can be used for everything. Look at these ones. Look at that. 3 pots going at one time. Of course, it's wood, not too close to the fire. Yes. Right, one of the most annoying things. I've got my wood for my campfire, but I'm always bending over, and I've got nowhere to sit. So next project, small sticks done. Now I'm gonna make some kind of stool so I can sit and tend my fire without sitting on the ground all the time. Making a camp stool. Now this is cool. Check this picture out. Right, this is courtesy of the Scouts again. I love the Scouts. And here's a fancy one. That's how I'm gonna make it. I've also seen some really cool Maasai ones that are just an eye-shaped piece of wood carved, and other people just find big, nice, comfortable logs or rocks. But let's try and make this. Right, let's go. The Maasai stool. Right, I've got 3 sticks, same length. If you use a knife or saw, be careful. Now I'm going to lash them together so that they make a tripod again, but the tripod's going to be extended. Yeah, look at that. Okay, let me lash them. Right, I've got my tripod, right? That's really cool. It's the right height for me. I've got to stop these legs from going outwards. So I'm going to put a little piece of wood or string between these 2. Right, camping uses lots of knots. Check this one out. Cross my hand, I've got it there, right? Round and back, making double loop. This is a clove hitch. That goes on, and that binds to itself. So whenever you're putting sticks together, the clove hitch is just the best. Right, get my string, cross my arms, round, double loop, tight. See? Undo, like that, cross my hands, 2 loops, tight. Keep practicing. Clove hitch. Right, I've got string around all 3 bottom ones. Now, the classic kikoi on the top. Right, we used to read this book called Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Now, a hitchhiker is someone who just catches lifts, goes anywhere, lives off nothing. But the most important thing that you can carry, according to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, is a towel. Now, every Kenyan travels with their trusty kikoi. I wrote a book once, 50 uses for the kikoi when camping. Check it out. Now, I'm going to use the kikoi for the top of my stool. Ta-da! Kikoi on. Nice. I've pushed it into the ground so it doesn't go on me. Let's hope. Here we go. Kikoi, 50 ways. Oh, that is really comfy. And now I can do all the things on my campfire. I can cook, I can chat to people. One of the most useful things. Camp stool. Check it out. Kikoi. A-frame. How simple. Look how thin that string is. And I don't want to be using screws and nails, do I? Because you don't have them when you're camping. You really want to think. You always have rope or string or guy rope. Yeah, or vines. So think about natural things. But everybody's got kikoi, because who goes camping without kikoi? Only not bushmen. Okay, that's a wrap on this one. We've done small sticks, we've cooked sausages over the fire on sticks, we've made a light holder, and we've made a stool. There's 100 other things. Yeah, just go for it. Anything to do with camping that you can build. So good. Now let's go into the bush. Me and the boys are camping, and it's going to be epic. Nice. Bye. Please, I want 100 subscribers before the end of term, so Makerspace is complete. If I get 100 subscribers, I promise to keep posting a couple of videos every so often so that you can just follow Mr. B and still have me as your DT teacher over the summer holidays. Nice. So please press that button, get me 100, and I will continue. That's my challenge. Ding, and hit the bell so that you get notified.